Toyota's latest generation audio multimedia platform has arrived, and it includes a huge list of great entertainment, convenience, and connectivity features. To make the most of it, you'll need to register your new vehicle, which can easily be done using the Toyota mobile app for iOS or Android. First, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your device. Then, open the App Store and download the Toyota app. If you already have it, just make sure it's the latest version before registering your vehicle. Next, open the app, tap Register to create your Toyota owner's account. Fill out the required fields, and tap Register again. Once completed, the app will send an activation code to your email as a security measure. Enter that code into the app and tap Verify Account to complete the account registration. Now, the next time you start the vehicle, be sure to have your device with you with the Toyota app open. The vehicle should recognize a profile on the device and prompt you to choose it with a notification on the audio multimedia display. Select Settings on this prompt to open the Settings page and load your profile by selecting it in the Detected Profile section. Upon selecting the new profile, you'll next be prompted to set up an account PIN, which is done in the Toyota app. To do this, select Send Link. Then enter your 10-digit mobile phone number. This will send an SMS with a link to reset or create your 6-digit PIN within the Toyota app. After entering and confirming your new PIN, you'll now be able to use it to protect your profile within the vehicle. To do this, select your profile again. Enter your new PIN, and then select Continue to save your profile to the vehicle. Now it's time to add the vehicle to your account and PIN, so select Enter Phone Number. Plug in your mobile number, then select Send to receive a text message. Tapping on the link in the message link will launch the Toyota app and request camera access to scan your in-vehicle QR code, which will be showing on the audio multimedia display. You can either confirm camera access or enter the code manually. Once the vehicle information is visible in the Toyota app, tap Save Changes and then Continue. Now, accept the connected services agreements, then tap Confirm and Continue. Once your connected services are activated, just tap Finish Setup. Your app dashboard should now be filled out with your activated services. Finally, select I've completed app setup on the audio multimedia display. At any point during registration, you can cancel setup by selecting Cancel on the audio multimedia display, or by tapping the X in the top right corner in the Toyota app. You can resume registration at any time through the Settings menu on the audio multimedia display. Similarly, after creating an account and adding a vehicle, you can still decline your connected services or opt out of vehicle data transmission in the Toyota app. Just keep in mind that if you do so, you'll lose access to important services like enhanced roadside assistance and SOS emergency assistance. And that's how to register your vehicle using the Toyota app. To learn more about audio multimedia, visit toyota.com/audio multimedia.